Hi everyone. Today we are going to explore how Power BI dashboards can be used for real-time supply chain performance monitoring. In today's global market, supply chains are more complex than ever. Businesses need to track shipments, supplier performance, inventory, and delivery times. Without real-time monitoring, delays or disruptions can quickly lead to financial losses and unhappy customers. Power BI turns supply chain data into clear, interactive dashboards. By connecting multiple data sources, like ERP systems, warehouse logs, and transportation records, managers can see everything in one place. Real-time updates show key metrics such as order status, stock levels, and supplier performance. With visual alerts, managers can quickly spot bottlenecks and take action before small problems turn into major disruptions. The result is smarter decision-making and improved efficiency. Companies reduce delays, cut costs, and build stronger customer trust. Power BI makes supply chain performance not only visible but also actionable. In summary, Power BI dashboards bring real-time visibility to supply chain operations, helping businesses stay agile and competitive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more business tech insights.